Hey, it's Paul. In today's video I'm going to explain the import statement in Python in only 2 minutes. So let's go. In Python, the import statement is used to bring external modules or packages into your program, making their functionality accessible. This allows you to use code written by others, promoting code reuse and modular design. So here's a brief explanation of how import statements work. So this right here is the basic syntax of an import statement. We start with the keyword import, followed by the name of the module that we want to import. Alternatively, we can use the as keyword, allowing us to import a module using an alias for this module. So right here is a very simple example where we import math and then use the square root function from this package. But we don't always have to import a complete package. We can also import a specific function from a package, as shown right here. So in this case, we import just the square root function and we then use it inside of our print statement. Another option is to just import everything from a package. So right here, this star symbol allows you to import all functions and variables from the math package. So what are some use cases for the import statement? First of all, we have code organization. Modules help us organize code by separating functionality into different files. This makes the whole code base more maintainable and easier to understand. Furthermore, it helps us with code reusability. Importing modules allows us to reuse code written by others, saving time and effort. Another benefit comes from when we use aliases, because they allow us to manage the namespace and potentially help us to avoid naming conflicts. And of course, probably the largest benefit of library integration is that we can just import external libraries that allows us to use pre-built functionality, which just extends the capability of our own programs. So that's it for today. I hope that you now understand why we use the import statement in Python. If you've learned anything new, feel free to like and see you in the next video. Bye.